Hello students, welcome to my class Chemistry Gurukul. Students, till now in my videos I have discussed with you different methods of separation of components of a mixture. So today in this video we will discuss our next method, that is fractional distillation method. In this method we will study how different components which are mixed together, means you can also understand it like this: if a substance or solution is in homogeneous condition, how you can separate them out. For example, if I take example of air is a homogeneous mixture. Now how we can separate the components of air? So today through flow chart, here you could see I have drawn this flow chart. You can also understand and make it in your notebooks. So my topic is how to obtain gases from air. Air is a mixture of different types of gases, even dust particles also, some water molecules also attached to it. So it can be the gases which are mixed together, they can be separated from air by fractional distillation method. This method is also applicable for separation of components of petroleum, crude oil. This I have already explained you in my classes. So in this method the air is compressed by increasing the pressure and then cooled by decreasing the temperature. Means they want to tell you that whenever pressure is increased and temperature is decreased, in that condition gases turns into liquid. Okay, so they will be converted into liquid form. Now what we will do, see here through this flow chart, when compressed and cooled by increasing pressure and decreasing temperature, this air will be converted to liquid air. Now this liquid air is allowed to warm up slowly in fractional distillation column. This fractional distillation apparatus you could see in my video clip, and you can easily understand through that diagram. Now next, after that gases are separated out, because different gases have different boiling points. So whenever you will heat them up, they will be separated at different boiling points. They get separated at different heights. Okay, so here we through this chart we could see first of all nitrogen is separated. How and why? Because it's, you could see here, boiling point is 77 Kelvin. That's why first boiling fraction is nitrogen, which can be easily separated out. Second boiling fraction is argon and its boiling point is 87 Kelvin. Third boiling fraction is oxygen. Its boiling point is 90 Kelvin. You could see the temperature gradually, BP, yani boiling point, increases. That's why they are separated at different temperatures. So I have drawn and summarized it like this in this column. I have taken gases, the gases which we have got from air, oxygen, argon and nitrogen. And you could have heard it also that in air oxygen percentage is nearly 20.9 percentage air by volume. Okay, I am talking about this. Here argon is 0.9% and nitrogen is maximum in amount, which is 78.1 percentage. So children, this is how you have to remember the name of this method, that is fractional distillation method, through which we can separate different gases components which is present in air. I hope you have understood this method. In my next videos I will discuss some other methods of separation also. So this is it. Thanks for watching.